English class, but before that class we'll say one prayer. All of you close your eyes and say the prayer along with me. Okay, join your hands. वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा. Okay, slowly open your eyes. Coming to our English syllabus, in the previous class you have seen so many videos and all of you watching that videos and you are doing your homework in home itself, isn't it? So complete your fair books, write neatly and send it to me. Okay? In the previous class we discussed about the old man kangaroo. Okay, I had told you lesson and we saw the exercises also. Complete that all exercise in fair book. Today we'll move to the next topic, that is poem. One small poem is there, that is poem number 4, The Fight. So you all know that what is fight? When do you fight? When you want something, that time you will fight, isn't it? For example, in your home, you wanted that some chocolates, okay? For examples, there is only one chocolate in your home. Your sister is also there with you. Your sister is also asking the chocolate. What you will do that time? You also want chocolate. Your sister also wants chocolate. What you will do? You both will start fighting for the chocolate purpose. When you want something, if you not get it, means you will start fighting with opposite person. Fight. ಜಗಳ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಹೊಡೆದಾಡೋದು. Okay. So this poem is about also one of the fight. So we'll see which in between those which person the fight is there, the fight is going on. Why does they fight, isn't it? Okay. So next coming to the here, as you all will watch cartoon channels, isn't it? Cartoon channel. In that, which cartoon game you will like it? Which cartoon game you will like? There are so many cartoon games are there. For example, Chota Bheem, Shiva, isn't? But here I am asking that which animals cartoon game you will like it? Do you watch cartoon shows? Name two cartoon cats. Here they are asking the cartoon cats. Name them. For example, first one cartoon cat, as I know, is nange gottirodu one cartoon cat ide. What is that? Tom. Yes. Tom and Jerry anta ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಟೂನ್ ಬರ್ತಿತ್ತು. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಟಾಮ್ ಏನು? ಟಾಮ್ is a cat and Jerry is a rat or a mouse. Is it? So Tom and Jerry cartoon. Tom and Jerry. What will happen in the Tom and Jerry cartoon? Always the Tom chases the Jerry, that is rat. To what is the foot of cat? What is the foot of cat? The mouse, isn't it? The mouse is the foot of the cat. So always the cat runs behind the rat only, behind the mouse to catch that and to eat the mouse. But the mouse tried to save its life. So always the mouse escapes from the cat, isn't it? For example, in the Tom and Jerry cartoon, what does the Jerry do? The Jerry tries to escape from the Tom. So here I am writing the one cat name, that is Tom. So another one, they are asking two cartoon cats names. So I have written only one. Another one you will write it yourself. Because I will not watch cartoon much. I know the Tom and Jerry cartoon. So I am getting a Tom. So you will watch cartoon, no? So write it down. Another Tom, another cat name. Okay. Shall we start the poem? Okay, children. Open the page number 24. Okay. Two little kittens one stormy night began to quarrel and then to fight. Once again I will read this poem. Two little kittens one stormy night. Kittens here, to whom you call it as the kittens? The baby cat. Kitten means baby cat. Baby cat we call it as the kitten. Here two little kittens, two small kittens, bekin marigalu. One stormy night. Stormy night andre ondina ratri joragi male gudugu sidlu. Stormy night began to quarrel and then to fight. The two cats started to quarrel, began to fight. They both the kittens started to fight. Why? Why did so? We'll see. One had a mouse, the other had a nun. One had a mouse, the other had a nun. And that's the why the quarrel began. One had a mouse, the other had none. In the two little cats, kittens, the one had a mouse, the one caught the mouse. The one is having the mouse, but the another one is having none, nothing. The another cat is having nothing. So, and that is the why the quarrel began. This is the reason for that quarrel. Why that both kittens were fighting? Because the one kitten was having the mouse and another was not having that. So, they both started to fight each other. Okay. See here in the picture. They both started to fight. I will have that mouse, said the bigger cat. You will have the mouse. We will see about that. Okay. In the two little cats, there is a one little bit big cat was there. That big cat said, I will have that mouse, said the bigger cat. What did the bigger cat said? The bigger cat said that I will have that mouse because I caught that. I am having that mouse, so I will have that mouse. Who said this? Bigger cat, big cat. You will have the mouse. We will see about that. The another cat said, you will have the mouse. We will see about that. Neen titiya? Okay, we will see. We will see what happens. Next, turn the page. What were the kittens fighting for? Here is a small question. What were the kittens fighting for? Why the kittens were fighting? The kittens were fighting for the mouse or a what? Yes, mouse. I will have that mouse, said the eldest one. You shall not have the mouse, said the little one. The bigger kite, the bigger one saying that bigger or elder. Doddakki ನಾವು ಏನಂತೀವಿ eldest. ದೊಡ್ಡ ಕ್ಯಾಟಿಗೆ eldest. That ದೊಡ್ಡದು cat ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತು? I will have that mouse, said the eldest one. No, I will have that mouse, said the biggest one. But the smallest, the small cat said that you shall not have the mouse, said the little one, the little Tommy. The little kitten said that no, you shall not have the mouse. ನೀನು ಅದನ್ನ ತಿನ್ನಬಾರದು, ನೀನು ಅದನ್ನ ತಿನ್ನೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಯಾರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು? The little one. The old man seized her sweeping broom. The old man seized her sweeping broom and swept both kittens right out of the room. Okay. Usually, where will be the kittens? Kittens ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಾವ? ಮನೆಯೊಳಗೆ ಸಾಕಿರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ? Yes. Some people will keep the cat as a pet animal. So like that, these two cats were there in the home. In that home, there is a one old woman. Like how your grandparents will there, no? Grandmother, grandpa. So like that, there is a one old woman seized her sweeping broom. What do you mean by seized? Seized andre to quickly and firmly. Here new words are there, so write it down. Which are those? New words. New words. ಈಗ ಇದನ್ನ how to you read that? How you will read this? Shall not. Shall not short form is shall. Okay. Next, seized. Seized means what? To quickly and firmly. To quickly and firmly. Okay. So the old woman, what did the old woman do? She took the broomstick and she seized with a broom. Sweeping broom, that was sweeping broom, okay? And swept both kittens right out of the room. By angrily, the old woman seized the the old woman quickly took the broom and seized and swept both kittens right out of the room. She means the old man showed that broom and left out of the room. That two kittens went out of the room. The ground was covered with frost and snow, and the two little kittens had nowhere to go. Means when the old man pushes them out, send them out, that time the ground was covered with the frost and snow. Outside, what happens? It was a stormy night. Means this is during the rainy season, the rainy or the winter season, with the frost and snow. Frost means a thin white layer of ice that looks like a powder. Ice that looks like a powder means it is pure white color. That is, we call it as the frost. Frost means thin white layer of ice. Thin white layer of ice. Okay, thin white layer of ice. Next, and thin white layer of ice look like a powder, and also snow. Snow means what? ಮಂಜು ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಏನಿತ್ತು, ಎಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ರು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತಿನ್ನದು ಐಸ್ ಇಂದ ತುಂಬಿದಂತ ವೈಟ್ ಲೇಯರ್ ಇತ್ತು. ನೀವು ಕಾರ್ಟೂನ್ಸ್ ಫಿಲ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿರ್ಬೋದು. ಮತ್ತೆ ಸ್ನೋ ಬೀಳ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. ದೇರ್ ವಾಸ್ ಅ ಸ್ನೋ ಫಾಲಿಂಗ್ and the two little kittens had nowhere to go. So the kittens now they don't have the way to go outside. Now nowhere to go. Where they have to go? In the snowfall. So nowhere to go. They lay and shivered on a mat at the door. So they lay and shivered. ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ಚಳಿ ಇದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಮಲ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ವು. They lay and shivered. Shivered ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಶಿವರಿಂಗ್, ನಡುಗೋದು. ಸೊ ಚಳಿಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕತ್ವು? ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಮಲ್ಕೊಂಡು ಶಿವರಿಂಗ್ ಆಗಕತ್ತು. So on a mat of the door, while the old woman was sweeping the floor. That time the old woman was sweeping the floor means cleaning the floor with a sweeping broom. Sweeping, ಕಸ ಗುಡಿಸೋದು. ಆ ಓಲ್ಡ್ ವುಮನ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು? ಸ್ವೀಪಿಂಗ್ ಬ್ರೂಮ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಫ್ಲೋರ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕಸ ಗುಡಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. And then they crept in as quiet as mice, all wet with the snow and as cold as ice. And then they crept in as quiet as mice. So ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಹೋದಾಗ ಅವರು ಯಾರೋ ಕಿಟನ್ಗಳು ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಹೋದಾಗ ಏನಾಗಿತ್ತು? ಐಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಿತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು? ಶಿವರಿಂಗ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. ಅವಾಗ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವು? ಸಡನ್ಲಿ ದೇ ಕ್ರೆಪ್ಟ್ ಇನ್, ಒಳಗಡೆ ಬಂದು. ಯಾವ ಕಿಟನ್ಸ್? ಟೂ ಲಿಟಲ್ ಕಿಟನ್ಸ್ came in and quiet as a mice. Mice means here for the mouse we call it as the mice. Mice means mouse only. So the two little cats stopped their fighting and became the quiet as a mice or a mouse. They became the quiet as a mouse. Next, what happens? All wet with the snow and as cold as ice. They both kittens were wet with the snow, as cold as ice. They all wet because there was a snow falling outside. So little bit they went out. So they got wet in the snow. And found it much better that stormy night to lie by the fire than to quarrel and fight. So finally what happens? And found it much better than stormy night. That stormy night, that a winter snowfall season weather, they felt nice where to lie by the fire. To lie by the fire means near the fire. There is a so much of snowfall outside, very cold. The weather is very cold. Snow, frost is there. So they got wet and the little kittens were shivering. So that time they came in, they crept quite as the mice and they lay down near the fire than to quarrel and fight. So they felt that now it is time to lay down near the fire instead of fighting and quarrel. Instead of then the quarrel and the fight. So they stopped fighting. Both the cat and the kitten stopped the fighting and they lie nearby the fire. Understood, children? Clear? The topic is clear now? Yes. Here again there is a new word called shivered. Shivered means what? Shook straightly. Shook andre shook slightly. How you will feel in the winter season, during the cold season, how you will feel? So that is shook slightly. Okay, understood? So this is the poem, children. Make a list of new words. Okay, copy it down in your fair book. I hope you all have understood this poem. How it is? Is it nice? Okay. Remaining exercises we'll do in the next class. Okay. Here, homework I will give you. Write the rhyming words. Homework. Write the rhyming words of this poem. There are so many rhyming words are there. Okay, sight, night, stormy night and fight. Night, fight. Then which one? Only one is there. There are so many. Door, which one? Floor. Door, floor. Night, fight. Next, room, broom. Room, broom. Okay, so like this, make a list of rhyming words and answer the following questions. I will send you the key answers. Okay, you also try to find out the answers. Okay. So I had told you exercise also, and this is your today's class. Okay. Okay, children, do it homework. Write it neatly. We'll meet you in the next class. Till then, take care. Bye.